Yeah, I'm gonna unbox this gun. It's a new unboxing video. Unboxing the P365, the SIG P365 CO2. I'm gonna see how it is. It opens pretty easily. There it is in the box. Hold up. Whew. It's actually kind of heavy. This is what it looked like in the bag. Damn. This is low key. This is low key pretty nice. It's small too. A little pocket rough, you know. Keep it in there. Boom. It's pretty nice. I'm gonna put the CO2 in. Hold up. Okay, I put the CO2 in. You just tighten it from the bottom. It uses a 6 Allen key, I guess you could call it that. But yeah, just put the bullets in there. I got this one. It's almost gone because that's from my other gun. Not my AR P9. What the hell? Hold up. There we go. Oh, it's maxed. Here it is. Wait, how many bullets did it say? It say 20 rounds. What is that? No, I'm saying. Well, here it is. Damn, this feels nice. I got a little box over there. But yeah, I paid, how much I paid for this? Hold up. Hold on. Okay, guys. I paid $139 for this. That's plus shipping and handling. So it's not that bad. What? Yo, why is it locked like that? Look, the lock isn't on. Bro, did I get a broken gun? Yeah, I better not have gotten a broken gun. But yeah, there's a box there I'm trying to shoot, but my cat's there. Except one bad thing is we in a hotel, so this might be loud. I don't know. This might be risky to do this. Hold up. The box is right there. Hold up, let me move slow. Get away. Put the pillow there. Ah, I got the other strap. Keep that tough. Oh shit. But yeah, I'm finna shoot this at the box down there. Hold up. Yeah, it should be good there. Wait, is it? No, it's not. There's a safety too, which is pretty good. But yeah, let's try. Oh, damn. Should I empty the clip? Might as well. Wait, what? Damn. I did not empty the clip, but that's way too loud. And I'm in a hotel. So I'm not gonna be shooting the whole clip. That's way too loud. But hold on. It went in. And it did. One came out, but that's because I was shooting at an angle. But yeah, this is a good gun. A little pocket rocket, you know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep that safety on though. You never know when you might pull it out. Bow, bow. Or something, I don't know. But damn, it's a pretty nice gun. And yeah, I don't know what else to say except, oh yeah, I'm gonna have to put this like in the middle of the video, but this, I was in a safe environment doing this, because I know YouTube be acting weird. They be acting weird. But yeah, this was in a safe environment. I did not have safety glasses, but that's okay, because let's say I was doing this. I was doing that. But yeah, we was in a safe environment. Don't try this at home. And if you do, make sure you're in a safe environment too. But yeah, that's gonna do it basically for the end of this video. You know, short little unboxing of the SIG P365. This feels heavy. What's... Oh, it came with BBs. I didn't even have to buy these. I did buy these a long time ago, but I could use these ones. But yeah, that's basically, yeah, the end of the video. Yeah, it's the end of the video. Like the video if you liked it, and subscribe if you're new. I'm out. I forgot to say this in the video, but shout out to Kevin DeLeon on YouTube. Pretty sure that's how you say his name, last name I mean. But yeah, I seen him do the unboxing on the SIG, and yeah, I thought it was a nice gun, so I bought it. But yeah, I just want to say shout out to him. His link to his YouTube channel will be in the description. Yeah, that's the end of the video. And oh shoot, also I forgot, this has a locked slide, so when you shoot the last bullet, it locks like that. So I'm gonna shoot that box. Actually I'm not gonna shoot it because my cat's there, but yeah. Hold up. You know what? I'll just shoot it. I'll shoot it like this, and I'll show you. Okay, I shot it. I did not go shoot by the cat, but yeah, it locks like that. And you just do that. If you try and reload, it don't work. But yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, now that's the end of the video. Peace.